Okay, so for this bit I've just gone and got myself my bigger, the larger darning needle, because I just find it a bit difficult to thread this one, so I'll just use this one. Basically what you want to do is just hide your tail inside your pumpkin. So it's going in and out, just coming out from various parts of the pumpkin really. Okay, so once you've done that a couple of times, then you can just simply snip that tail off. So now we're going to make this stalky part, I don't know what you call it, but yeah. Okay, moving on to the stalk, I'm going to chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And we're going to work single crochet in each stitch. So miss your first chain and go into the second, and you're going to work a single crochet every stitch all the way to the end. So you should have 9 single crochets once you get to the end, because we missed the first stitch. So just simply single crochet, the last one. Okay, so it's a chain 1 and turn your work, and again we're going into the back loops only, a single crochet in every stitch. So back loops only with a single crochet. Single crochet is a US term, it's double crochet in UK. I do have all the US and UK terminology in the description box, so if you'd like to have a look at that, it is there for you. Okay, so that's the second row complete of single crochets. Make sure you get that last one there. Again, chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, so I've worked a total of 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and then we're gonna join the 2 edges together. So you could either, actually what I'll do, yeah, I'll just leave a long tail again, because we're going to be needing the tail to sew onto the pumpkin. So just pop, I'm going to use my bigger needle because that one I just find it too small. So just basically match up the stitches on the edge there. So just going in through one end, coming out the other. Like so. And at the end, just want to actually no, what we need to do is, forgot, it's not working. Just going to sew up the end roughly. Don't go too tight because you just want it to give it that real effect. Very stalk at the top. Okay, so can you see it sort of leans to one side, which is what we want. Okay, so actually we'll use this till to sew in, so we'll just pop this one back in, go back in there like that. Then we can use this one to now sew onto a pumpkin. Go through a few stitches on here. If you have a look, so we'll just go through maybe here, that. You can pin this down, it's up to you. So you're just going through your pumpkin and then just, you know, going through your stalk as well at the same time. Go all the way around as neatly as you can. Just attach your stalk. Oops. So don't know if you can see there what I'm doing. It's a bit fiddly, I'm not gonna lie, but I think we've got there in the end. So can you see, attached it, might just go through one more to just. Good thing about this needle is every time it unthreads, you just simply pop it back in. So can you see, it just looks really nice. I like it how it just leans to one side. And, okay, so with the tail that's sticking out, you just want to like sort of knot it in so it doesn't come undone, and then we're just going to hide the tail inside the pumpkin like we did before. So go through that and go through there. So can you remember I said keep a loop, because then you want to feed that bit through and then tighten it, because that then forms a knot for you there. Okay, so now I'm just going to hide the tail. Like so, and then just simply straight that bit off. Okay, there we go. Got a nice pumpkin. Just lastly, what we're going to do is now tie a bit of twine around. There's no what you call it, no trick to this. You simply just tying the bow and your pumpkin. I'm gonna make it look as neat as possible, not like mine obviously. Like that. We will have just snip these bits off because they're a bit long. And there you go. I've got this one, was obviously a bit larger, mini size. I think the mini size ones look quite cute. But there you go. I've got large, medium, small. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hope to bring you some more exciting tutorials in the future. And if you do make any of these, please do tag me.